Hey, I'm Hassan Fazal with another very interesting Excel video in which we will be looking at a free add-in. Many Excel users have to convert numbers to words on daily basis, and majority of them require converting numbers to words in specific currency. So what I have done is I have taken a simple code and written an add-in with the help of which you get custom functions and you can convert numbers to different currencies. So far, this add-in can help you convert numbers into 7 different currencies. That includes dollars, pounds, dirhams, dinars, reals, rupees, and euros. I will be updating this add-in to include more currencies to it. So if you guys require this add-in to convert numbers into specific currencies, do let me know in the comments below and I will be updating it. So let's start with 0. It says 0. And if I jump it up to, if I jump it up to 10, it says 10. And if I make it more, 100, let's give it a random number, 125. Okay. And let's give it a decimal figure, 135.89. So it goes like this. Okay. And this add-in can help you convert really crazy numbers also. So let's give it a try. Okay, let me just expand the column so that you can see it clearly. Yeah, hold on a second. There you go. Okay, and you can increase it even more with decimal figures also, like this. Oops, sorry. Okay, so there you have it, guys. You can download this add-in free of cost. I will be putting the link in the description below. If you like the add-in, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel because I do have a lot more resources coming your way. And most importantly, for this video, if you have any suggestion regarding the currency I should be including next into this add-in, do let me know in the comment section below. And I will be updating this add-in with more currencies very soon. And once again, I have included the link in the description of this video where you can download this add-in and instructions on how to install it in your Excel. So that's it for today. Thank you and see you in the next Excel video.